Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Allison, and I'm thrilled you're joining me for this 7-day crystal balance challenge. If you ever feel overwhelmed by social media, you're in the right place. Over the next week, we'll use crystals to help you reset your aura and find peace. This is your space to relax and reconnect. No distractions, just my voice. Find a quiet, comfortable spot, and let's set an intention for clarity and self-connection. There's no pressure, just show up for yourself. Let's begin this journey together. Welcome to day 1 of your crystal journey, a fresh start to invite clarity and calm into your life. Today, we begin with clear quartz, often called the master healer. This remarkable crystal is known for its ability to amplify energy, enhance focus, and bring mental clarity, making it the perfect companion for cutting through the digital noise and distractions of daily life. Gently hold your clear quartz in your hand, noticing its cool texture and comforting weight. Close your eyes, cradle the stone to your chest, and take a deep, intentional breath in, allowing yourself to settle into this moment. As you exhale, consciously let go of any tension or stress in your body. With each inhale, visualize a radiant white light emanating from the crystal, filling your mind and body, gently clearing away any mental fog or confusion. With every exhale, imagine releasing digital static, worries, and outside influences. See any confusion or overwhelm dissolving, replaced by a sense of pure, refreshing clarity and peace. Now set your intention for the day. I welcome clarity into my mind and spirit. I release the noise and distractions, and I connect deeply with my inner wisdom and truth. Feel the energy of the crystal amplifying your intention, making it stronger and more vibrant. Take 3 slow, mindful breaths. Inhale clarity, exhale all that no longer serves you. With each breath, feel your mind becoming clearer and your spirit lighter. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to thank your clear quartz for its supportive energy and the clarity it brings into your life. Keep your clear quartz nearby throughout the day as a gentle reminder to stay clear, focused, and centered. You've taken the first step on your journey to greater clarity and self-awareness. See you tomorrow for day 2. Day 2 is all about calm with amethyst. This purple stone soothes stress and quiets the mind. Hold your amethyst, noticing its color and texture. Place it on your forehead or hold it in your palm. Close your eyes and feel its cool, calming presence. Imagine gentle purple energy radiating from the stone, washing over your mind. Inhale tranquility, exhale tension. Let amethyst absorb your mental clutter and worries. Stay with this peaceful feeling for a few breaths. There's nothing to do, just be here, breathing, letting calmness settle in. When ready, remove the crystal, take a deep breath, and open your eyes. Thank your amethyst for its soothing energy. Place it on your nightstand for restful sleep. You've given your mind a moment of rest. See you for day 3. Day 3 is about self-love with rose quartz. This pink stone is all about unconditional love and compassion, especially for yourself. Hold your rose quartz, noticing its gentle color. Place it over your heart, feeling its warmth. Close your eyes and breathe deeply into your heart center. Visualize a soft pink light filling your chest, pure, gentle love. Silently repeat, I am worthy of love and kindness. I am gentle with myself. Inhale self-love, exhale self-doubt. Let the crystal's energy dissolve any hardness around your heart. Allow your inner walls to soften. Remember, you are enough, just as you are. Take a final deep breath, soaking in self-love. Exhale, sending love to yourself. Open your eyes, thank your rose quartz, and keep it close today. You're doing beautiful work. See you tomorrow. Welcome to day 4 of your journey. Today, we focus on grounding with the powerful energy of black tourmaline. This deep, dark stone is more than just beautiful. It acts as your energetic shield, helping you stay rooted, balanced, and protected from negativity in your daily life. Take a moment to hold your black tourmaline in your hand. Notice its weight, its coolness, and the unique texture of its surface. Let yourself connect with its grounding energy. Stand or sit comfortably, making sure your feet are flat on the floor. Feel the solid support beneath you. Now close your eyes and imagine strong roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth below. These roots anchor you, providing stability and strength. Feel the gentle, nurturing support of the earth beneath you, holding you steady and safe, no matter what's happening around you. Visualize the energy of your black tourmaline flowing down through your body, strengthening your connection to the ground and amplifying your sense of security. With every exhale, imagine releasing stress, tension, and negativity down through your roots, letting the earth absorb and neutralize it, leaving you lighter and more at peace. Picture a shimmering, protective shield of dark light surrounding your entire body, open to love and positivity, but closed to any negativity or harm. Take a few deep, slow breaths, feeling more grounded, centered, and safe with each inhale and exhale. When you feel ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your awareness back to the room, and open your eyes with a soft, grateful smile. Take a moment to thank your black tourmaline for its strength, protection, and grounding energy. Place your crystal near your door, on your desk, or in any space where you want ongoing protection and grounding throughout your day. Thank you for joining today. See you for day 5, where we'll continue this journey together. Day 5 is for cleansing with selenite. This luminous stone is like an energetic shower, washing away negativity. Hold your selenite wand or stone gently. Close your eyes, set the intention to release what no longer serves you. Sweep the selenite above your head and down your body, as if erasing energetic dust. Visualize stress and heaviness being drawn into the selenite and dissolved by its white light. Sweep down your arms, torso, legs, and back. Imagine your aura becoming lighter and brighter with each motion. Finish with one final sweep, flicking away the last remnants. Stand in your cleansed energy, feeling peace and clarity. Thank your selenite for its cleansing power. Place it on a windowsill to recharge if you like. See you tomorrow for day 6. Day 6 is about joy with citrine. This golden stone brings positivity, abundance, and a sunny outlook. Hold your citrine, noticing its warmth and color. Place it over your solar plexus, your center of confidence. Close your eyes and imagine the crystal as a miniature sun. Feel golden light radiating from it, filling you with joy and optimism. Inhale this light, letting it dissolve self-doubt and negativity. Let the energy spark creativity and motivation. Visualize your whole body glowing with vibrant, joyful energy. Smile even just a little and connect with the simple joy of being you. Take 3 deep, joyful breaths. When ready, open your eyes and thank your citrine. Keep it with you to attract positivity. You are radiant. See you for our final day. Day 7, our final day together, is dedicated to the theme of balance, and we'll be working with lepidolite, a stone known for its gentle, harmonizing energy. This beautiful lilac stone is cherished for its ability to soothe emotional turmoil, ease anxiety, and bring a deep sense of calm and tranquility to your mind and heart. Take a moment to hold your lepidolite, feeling its cool surface and noticing the gentle shimmer of mica that dances in the light. Let yourself connect with its peaceful energy. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and begin to tune into the natural rhythm of your breath, letting each inhale and exhale become slower and softer. Imagine lepidolite's calming energy flowing into you, spreading through your body like a soft, comforting blanket, gently easing any tension you may be holding. Visualize a gentle, lilac-colored light radiating from the stone, wrapping you in a cocoon of comfort and serenity, filling the room with peaceful purple sunlight. As you rest here, Acknowledge any stress, anxiety, or worries that may be present. There's no need to judge or resist. Simply notice these feelings with gentle awareness. See lepidolite's energy surrounding those emotions, softening their edges and creating a sense of calm around them, like turbulent water settling into stillness. With each breath, allow yourself to return to a state of gentle equilibrium. Inhale peace, exhale release, and feel your body and mind coming into balance. Remember, you are not your emotions or your thoughts. You are the calm, steady awareness behind them, always present and at peace. Take a moment to absorb the sense of balance and integration you've cultivated, not just today, but throughout this entire week with your crystals. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch if you'd like, and slowly open your eyes to the present moment. Thank your lepidolite for its support, and thank yourself for showing up and completing this journey of balance and self-care. You've created a foundation of calm that you can return to anytime. Congratulations, you've completed the 7-day Crystal Balance Challenge. Thank you for showing up for yourself and sharing this space. Remember, this practice is always here for you. Return whenever you need a reset. Trust your intuition to guide you to the right crystal and practice. Be gentle with yourself as you navigate the digital world. Carry this peace and balance forward. Thank you for being here. Be well, and see you again soon.